Welcome to a closer look at Coverado Seat Covers, designed to protect and enhance your car's interior with luxury and comfort. These front seat covers feature premium Nappa leather that is waterproof, breathable, and smooth to the touch for a refined feel. The high-resilient foam padding adds lumbar support, ensuring a comfortable ride every time you get behind the wheel. Tailored with 3D digital scanning, they fit over 99% of vehicles without blocking airbags or seatbelt functions. Installation is simple and secure with hooks and chucks, allowing you to upgrade your car's look effortlessly. Each pack includes 2 front seat covers and a detailed manual to guide you step by step. Transform your car's interior with style and protection that lasts with Coverado Seat Covers. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.